Welcome to an exciting journey through history and innovation. Today, we're celebrating a legendary icon in the motorcycle world, the Honda Goldwing, as it marks its 50th anniversary in 2025. From its inception to its status as a touring beacon, the Goldwing has transformed the landscape of long-distance motorcycle travel. Buckle up as we take you on a ride through 5 decades of adventure, engineering marvels, and the passionate community that surrounds this magnificent machine. The story starts in 1975, a year that saw the release of the original Goldwing. Designed as a sport touring motorcycle, the GL1000 was a radical departure from what motorcyclists of the time were used to. With its flat 4-engine configuration and a focus on comfort, the Goldwing sought to redefine the long-distance ride. It featured a remarkable 999 cubic centimeters engine capable of producing 80 horsepower, innovative technology like liquid cooling, and a shaft drive system that reduced maintenance compared to chain-driven models. As the Goldwing evolved, so did its aesthetic and functional design. Each iteration from the GL1100 of the early 80s to the GL1500 and beyond introduced new elements aimed at enhancing rider comfort, safety, and overall experience. The GL1200 in 1984 included an optional audio system, pushing the boundaries of what could be expected on two wheels. Fast forward to the GL1800, launched in 2001, which was equipped with state-of-the-art features like anti-lock braking systems, an integrated navigation system, and ergonomic seating that truly made it feel like a home away from home. Honda has consistently integrated technological advancements into the Goldwing's design. In 2018, the model underwent a significant redesign again. Honda engineers introduced new features like a more powerful liquid-cooled 6-cylinder engine, improved infotainment systems, and even a DCT option dual-clutch transmission, allowing for a smoother and more engaging ride. Technology like Apple CarPlay compatibility now bridges the gap between rider and technology, ensuring your most essential connections are never too far away while touring. When it comes to touring, comfort is paramount, and the Goldwing excels in creating an inviting space for both rider and passenger. The plush seats, designed for long hours of cruising, generate a sense of luxury that few motorcycles can match. Heated grips, adjustable windscreens, and extensive storage solutions reflect Honda's dedication to rider comfort. The Goldwing has evolved into a touring machine that not only gets you from point A to point B but transforms the journey into a memorable experience. Beyond the engineering marvel, the Honda Goldwing represents a thriving community. Riders around the globe form clubs and associations, creating bonds that are fostered through shared experiences. Events like Wingding, an annual rally, draw thousands of Goldwing enthusiasts together for days filled with rides, entertainment,